Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This plan with me is a very special one because this is the week that I attended the Go Wild Planner Conference in Las Vegas, and it was my first time attending a large planner conference. I had such a great time meeting Erin Condren and Stephanie Fleming of the Happy Planner and attending all of the fun parties and events that they had planned, along with listening to the great speakers at the conference. It was so amazing. So I'm really excited to share this week's plan with you because I met some amazing people at Go Wild. It was so much fun, you guys. If you have a chance to go, I highly recommend it. So the kit that I'm going to be using this week was specifically designed by Go Wild, by one of the sponsors of the event, Gabriela Elena Designs. And so I'm using this beautiful Go Wild themed kit, and let's go ahead and get started with the bottom washi, and we'll go ahead and get started with this week's layout. This is my first time using a kit from Gabriela Elena Designs, and her bottom washi is kind of unique where all of the strips are the same length, so they're not cut down specifically for the Erin Condren size. And I think what she does with her bottom washi is she gives you the strips in a lot of different sizes so you can use them across various types of planners, which is really unique and really smart, I think, because then it allows people to use them no matter what planner they're using. I also picked up a lot of hollow foil for this week's spread. I was so excited to add some really bold colors to this week's spread. So I have this hollow foil from Rose Colored Daze in pink hollow and purple hollow. And so I used one of each of the flags in the top of the corner. And now I'm just putting down the date covers from the kit. And then I'm going to start on my sidebar. I'm using the quote sticker, which says Go Wild Las Vegas. And then I'm going to use one of the pink hollow foil headers from Rose Colored Daze, and I love the shine that comes off of these. They're so pretty. The first section I'm making in my sidebar is where I'm going to note my PR post for the week, and I'm using a half box from Artbox Stickers to mark that. And it's one of her celestial half boxes, and it has hollow stars in the corner, which I thought was so pretty with this week's spread. Then I'm putting down another washi strip from the kit, and I'm going to add two habit trackers right underneath there, and both of those are from Artbox Stickers. These along with that celestial half box were part of a $2 Tuesday, and I picked them up with hollow foil specifically to use for this week because I thought it would be fun to mix a lot of bold, bright kind of different foils for this week, just to have some fun, because Go Wild in Vegas seems pretty festive, so it seemed a good time to play around with a lot of foil. So I put down a YouTube habit tracker from the Tasseled Planner, and then finishing off the sidebar with just the rest of the bottom washi. And this part in the planning process is always really important for me because I open up my planner, take a look at the foundation, just the date covers, the bottom washi, and the sidebar, and I can kind of feel how the rest of the spread is going to come out from here. And at this moment, I realized it needed something, but I wasn't quite sure what it was. And I will show you once we get to that point where I figured it out and added it in, because it made a big difference in the whole spread and I loved it. So I'm going to move on to starting to place down my full boxes though, and there were two double full boxes in this kit. So I'm going to put the first two on Monday and Tuesday, and they have a gorgeous floral print on them. This kit was so perfect for me for Go Wild, and it was one of my best friends. She saw this kit and she was like, I think this kit will be perfect for you for Go Wild. And when I saw it, I was like, yes, this is exactly me. It was kind of the right mix of the colors and the prints along with the Vegas theme, along with the florals. It was absolutely perfect for me. And so I was really excited when I found it, because of course I'd been looking, and ever since I bought my ticket, I've kind of been keeping an eye out and wondering what kit I was going to use for this week. So I put the other double full box on Friday and Saturday, and then on Wednesday I added one of the full boxes at the top and used one of the purple hollow foil headers on top of that. And then on Thursday and Sunday I'm going to put two full boxes down all the way at the bottom and add some more hollow foil headers, and I'm using all of the purple ones on top of each of the full boxes throughout the week. And I really loved mixing the pink hollow and purple hollow this week. I had so much fun with these bold hollow colors. I've never used hollow in my planner before, and so I went kind of nuts this week because it just felt so appropriate. I also picked up some full box overlays from Rose Colored Daze, and so she had some Go Wild specific themed overlays because she also sponsored a table at the event. And so the sponsors, of course, made Go Wild specific items for us planner girls to use. And so I love these whole box overlays. And then I also picked up some of her confetti overlays in the pink hollow and purple hollow. And so between the Go Wild specific ones, I kind of scattered those around on the individual full boxes. And then for the double full boxes, I used the confetti overlays in the pink hollow and purple hollow. And I really love the effect that it added because it just added so much sparkle and shine to the page. For the quote box in the sidebar, the freebie that came with my rose colored days order was so perfect, and I really loved it because it gave just a really cute frame around the quote in the sidebar, and it was just absolutely spot on perfect. So putting down my weekend banner, and this also came from the rose colored days sampler. And then now I'm going to start doing my day by day. So the first part of the week is pretty ordinary work stuff because the conference didn't start till Thursday. So on Monday, I needed to go into work and improve my time card, which I do every other Monday because I have to approve my time card on the weeks that I get paid. And I used a cute little alarm clock from Tasseled Planner. Underneath there, I'm putting down a quarter box and adding a don't forget script from Rose Colored Days. And I had a coworker who had submitted something and I needed to make sure I followed up on her request. So I'm just going to write that down and then add a cute little laptop sticker from Artbox Stickers. And that is foiled as well. And I used, it's foiled in silver foil. So then I'm moving over to Tuesday. I'm going to jump around a lot in this spread because I remember this week I was trying to get as much planned as possible so that I could have as much of this spread done before I got ready to leave on Thursday. So I jump around a lot in this spread. On Tuesday, I did put down it's actually a third box to mark $2 Tuesday. Then I jumped down to the bottom of Wednesday and I put down another one of those third boxes from the kit along with a Hello May script from Rose Colored Days. And then I decided I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle to that as well. So I took one of the confetti full boxes, cut it in half so that it would fit on top of that. I keep wanting to call it a half box, but it's actually a little bit smaller than a half box. So I believe that's like a third box size, but I'm layering that confetti overlay on top of that, and it added a little extra sparkle to mark the beginning of the month of May. Now jumping over to Thursday, I'm not going to mention that header because it's about to change, but underneath that header, I did put down a half box from the kit, and I'm adding this GP Sticker Studio girl, and this is her girl Bobby, and she's just pulling her cute little suitcase behind her, and I thought that was perfect for marking my travel. So I've marked my flight to Vegas, which was leaving Thursday morning. That evening was going to be the welcome party, which was sponsored by Regina Designs, and it was a karaoke themed welcome party. And so I'm putting down a half box from Artbox Stickers and adding some balloons from Tasseled Planner. And I do PR for both of those shops, so you'll find those PR codes in the description box. Jumping back to Monday, I'm putting down a half box again from Artbox Stickers and layering a little shopping bag from Tasseled Planner. On Monday, I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree on my lunch break because I wanted to make a flower crown to wear during Go Wild, and so I needed to pick up some supplies for that. Underneath there, I put down a little money sack from Rose Colored Days to mark reviewing my weekly budget. Very important for this week, especially because I was going to be traveling. So I wanted to make sure I was being responsible with my finances. And then this is where I figured out what the spread was missing. And it was a game changer, you guys. So I had these scalloped headers and headers from the Blanket Planner. And this is in the cotton candy colorway. And it is so gorgeous. It's like confetti hollow, pink hollow, and it's just amazing. It was so gorgeous when I put it down. I got so excited. I was like, yes, this is what this spread needed. It added that little extra special sparkle, which was so perfect for Go Wild. So now I'm putting down one of the little scalloped headers at the bottom of Tuesday, and I'm going to make a small little 2-point checklist of things that I needed to get done that evening, which included braiding my hair and packing for Go Wild. And I always like to braid my hair before I go on a trip because it's just one less thing to have to think about when you're on vacation. So I put down a cute little suitcase icon from Sadie Stickers, and then moving over to Wednesday, I'm using another one of those scalloped foil headers from the Blanket Planner, and I'm going to use a Instagram icon, and that actually came from a Plush Paperie sampler, and I'm just marking my midweek post. This page flag with the florals is from that same Plush Paperie sampler, and it just happened to match this kit perfectly. So I'm marking buying an Audible book that I wanted to listen to on the plane on the way to Go Wild. And then moving back to Wednesday, I knew I needed to get a pedicure on Wednesday, so I'd made an appointment for that. So I'm putting down this quarter box and adding one of the Blanket Planner headers on top of that, and then using this cute little nail polish bottle from Artbox Stickers, and it's going to mark my pedicure appointment. On Wednesday evening, I also wanted to pack my carry-on bag and make sure I didn't forget my chargers and, those last-minute things that you want to throw into your carry-on bag to make sure you don't forget. Going to finish swapping out the scallops in the sidebar and then replacing the header on Thursday with the Blanket Planner headers, which are so sparkly, so pretty. Going to add another page flag from Plush Paperie and then layer a little car icon from the Tasseled Planner on top of there to mark taking an Uber from the airport to the Hard Rock Hotel, which is where the conference was and where I was going to be staying for the extended weekend. Once I arrived at the hotel, the first thing I needed to do was get registered for the conference, and so I'm marking that with a quarter box from the kit along with a little bow paper clip from Artbox Stickers. Friday was payday, which is the best kind of Fridays, and so I'm marking that with a label sticker from the Tasseled Planner along with one of her little money sack icons. And then I'm going to add a script sticker from Nedi Designs, and this is in silver foil, and it just says payday. I love her scripts. The font is so dainty and beautiful. Jumping back to Monday, the bottom of Monday, I'm putting down some of the washi from the kit and then cutting that down to size. I'm adding this cute little TV icon from Sticker Bloom. That's who that's from. That's TV is from Sticker Bloom, and I'm going to add a cute little heart icon from Tasseled Planner to the center of that. And I'm just marking that my husband and I watched Shark Tank that evening. Going over to Wednesday, I'm putting down a half box, and it's from Artbox Stickers, and I'm going to layer a little passport sticker on top of that, and it's from the GP Sticker Studio Travel Variety little sticker sheet, which is so awesome. And I just wanted to mark that I needed to check into my flight, which is always important when you're flying Southwest because the timing of when you check in determines how quickly you get on the plane. Then I used a little heart icon from Tasseled Planner to mark making my flower crown, which I did that evening, and it came out so pretty and I loved it. On Tuesday, I'm using a half box from the kit, and I'm going to add a little money icon from Rose Colored Daze and layer some little heart stickers from Tasseled Planner right on top of there. Friday was going to be my supervisor's birthday, and since I wasn't going to be there, one of my coworkers was getting a cute little gift basket, so I wanted to give her some cash to contribute to the gift basket birthday gift. Underneath there, I'm putting down a little desk icon sticker from GP Sticker Studio. It was month end, which is always a very busy day for me at work. And because there was no limit to the amount of shine that this week could have for me, I decided to add a few little stars to the flowers and the washi, and also added that little bow to the top of Tuesday. Now moving over to Thursday and Friday, and I wanted to mark down the schedule of the conference for both those days. So I'm using these scalloped headers from the Blanket Planner, and then using a schedule script from Rose Colored Daze, and that's in the pink hollow foil, along with a checklist also in pink hollow foil, and just marking down the different speakers that we had for the conference from that day. This little sticker sampler is from Jalen Paper Co. And I got this at Go Wild, and so this part of the that I'm filming is actually after I've come home from the conference, which is so great because I was able to use these really cute stickers, just that llama, and then this little planner sticker where I ordered my new 2020 Erin Condren that day. I sat at Lauren Phelps Designs table, so I wanted to mark that down, and then I added just a couple of little sticker icons from that sheet. I really loved that little sticker sheet. Her stickers were just so cute and adorable. I had to use tons of them on the spread. And so to finish off Friday, I'm putting down a quarter box and adding a little bow sticker, also from that Jalen Paper Co. sticker sheet. And just marking that. My roommates and I went to Cirque du Soleil to see the Zumanity show that evening, and it was tons of fun. At the top of Friday, I put down a Go Wild sticker and just marked that it was day one of the conference. On the top of Saturday, I'm going to put down another one of those headers from the blanket planner, and then layer this little Go Wild ticket icon sticker, again from Jalen Paper Co., to mark that it was day 2 of the conference. And then I'm going to add the schedule sticker from Rose Colored Daze, along with the heart checklist, so I can mark down the speakers for the second day. And it was so excellent. This little girl hugging her little llama unicorn is also from Jalen Paper Co. And so I've marked the speakers for that day were incredible and amazing. And then underneath there, I'm adding a hollow header from Rose Colored Daze, just marking that I went to lunch with one of my roommates, Ngazi, and we went to Wazuzu at the Encore. The food was so good. And then that evening was the Planjama party, and I had such a blast at Planjama. It was so much fun. The music was amazing, and everyone's all dressed up in their PJs and looking super cute, and it was so much fun. Back on Thursday, I'm putting down a camera icon. This is from Regina Laughs, and I wanted to mark the meet and greet with Erin Condren, which was so amazing. She's so sweet and so nice. It was really a pleasure meeting her. On the top of Sunday, I'm putting down another one of those third boxes from the kit, along with a Cinco de Mayo script sticker from Artbox Stickers, and just wanted to mark that Sunday was Cinco de Mayo. And it was also the day that I flew home, and I thought this little girl with her little unicorn and her little suitcase was so perfect to mark coming home. I put down a header from the blanket planner and used a little car icon to mark my husband picking me up from the airport. Sunday was a very lazy, chill day after 3 days of just nonstop fun and excitement. I was exhausted by the time I got home on Sunday. So I'm putting down a half box and layering a Lazy Day sticker from Rose Colored Daze on top of that. Because when I got home, I kind of tried looking through some of my Go Wild swag, but mostly just relaxed for the rest of the day because it was so much fun, but I was tired and just thrilled to have had the experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's spread. Sorry for all of the jumping around, but it was truly crazy trying to plan out this week with being kind of away from my planner for 3 days. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Here is a sneak peek at my spread for next week. I'll be using this kit from Regina Laughs, and I know my schedule has been off, but I'm hoping to get back to my normal schedule soon for uploads, but keep an eye out. I'll be sure to be posting on my social media when this video will go live, so you can check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.